Welcome back. This is John Locke, and today I want to talk about a thread that I saw in an SEO forum, and I'm sure a lot of you are feeling the same way as this person did. Now, the person who wrote this particular thread, they said that they were basically lamenting the fact that at one point they were ranking number one for a specific keyword, and it was giving them a lot of business. They were getting a lot of traffic. But today, in mid 2019, on mobile, they noticed that at the top of the page there's 4 or 5 ads. Then there was a carousel of YouTube videos. Then there was an accordion section of people also ask with those questions, and their site was not included in any of those, people also ask questions. And then there is only a few spots left in organic, and this is on mobile. And so they were bumped down to page 2. And I'm sure a lot of you feel the same way. Now, we did talk about this in a previous video, why Google has made changes like this with adding more ads at the top of the page. Basically, they want to hit their revenue goals. They missed it just by a little bit in the last quarter, so they're taking no chances, and they're adding more ads to the real estate of the search engine results pages. And Google benefits from something that other large platforms like Facebook do. Once you get people into a habit to where they're always going to the same source for information. So in Google, people don't really use other search engines. It's basically Google and then everybody else. And people always know that they're going to find what they need to find. So once you get everybody in that habit over the course of 2 decades, then you can pretty much do whatever you want, and nobody's going to leave because there's no other really great alternatives. Facebook also benefits from the same thing. But back to the question at hand. So the person with the search engine's results page, they, you're looking at the fact from a few years ago you ranked number 1 for this. But obviously, the way that Google is laying out the search engine results page has changed. And you're going to have to roll with the punches. You're going to have to find which way the wind is blowing and take advantage of that. So it sounds like you have a blog post and it ranked really well. But Google is mixing in all this diversified types of content. They have YouTube videos in there. YouTube is a platform which Google owns, or their parent company Alphabet owns. And they're adding in, all these snippets of information of people also ask these questions. So I would put it to you, you need to change or improve on the piece of content that you had before that slowly fell out of the rankings because you're no longer in that number 1 spot. So is there a way that you can make a video that accompanies this article or this page that you created in the past? Because obviously Google wants to show YouTube videos at the top. And videos, let's face it, less effort than reading text. All you have to do is click the play button and watch the video. So less effort, let's put it at the top. Same thing with the people also ask questions. Have you looked at what's in there? Does your content, your page, have those questions in that page? Because once you click on those people also ask questions, like more of them open up down below. So my suggestion would be compile a list of all the different people also ask questions that are appearing and add those to your article, add those to your page. There's other things that you probably should do. I don't know what this page is, but I'm guessing that if you have not redesigned your site in the past, 4 or 5 years, it's probably due for that. Take a look at what is ranking. Good, well-designed pages tend to rise up in the rankings, and sites that look like they're from the 90s tend to fall down the rankings over time. I would also look at, how you can get links to this particular page. Can you share it on social media some more? But most definitely, what I'm saying is if Google is diversifying content that they're showing in the search engine results pages, then you also need to diversify that content. And you need to move with the times. And you need to move with the changes and be able to reach people with more than just a blog post. You need to find them with these other things. And then also look at the other pages that are ranking above yours now and see how you can more closely match what they're doing and improve your own page. Design matters. The content of the page matters. The way that the content on the page matters. So that's my advocation to you. That's my suggestion. Take the ball and run with it. I would love to see what happens, and if anybody out here is in the same situation, that's probably what you need to do. My name's John Locke. My business is Lockdown Design and SEO. I'm here every single day, 365 days a year, making videos on SEO. Thank you to all the new subscribers that have come on recently. Really appreciate it. That's all I have for now. I will be here tomorrow, and until next time, peace.